guys, Bijo in Pattaya. This is Beach Road. It's Thursday night, it's nearly 10 p.m. It's February the 3rd. Let's take a look at Walking Street. There's the beer garden. They're closed at the moment. Let's go have a look, see if there's anything been happening. It's been like a month since I've been down here. Might be more busier, maybe not. At least we can still drive through here. Is he in there? Oh, cool. But a lot of places still closed. The test and goes back, so people should be arriving, you would think. This road, the good news is the Mayor of Pattaya said Walking Street is not going anywhere. They're going to repave the road once all the works are done, because the road's a bit bumpy. Hello! Oh, here. Candy shop's pretty busy in there too. It's all right in there. Oh, remember that. Let's have a quick look up here while we're here. The old soy diamond. See, pretty quiet. Windmill's open. A couple of clubs up there, but not much. The old carousel bar's still closed. As you can see, it's like 50-50 down here. Candy shop looks like it's the place to be. 808. I hope everyone's doing okay. Pattaya's still fairly quiet. Lucifer, got the live band singing behind a sheet of plastic. Couple of go-go's. Or should I say restaurants? Everyone's operating under a restaurant license. And then you get parts like this, nothing open, looks like a ghost town. So it's still got a while to come back yet. And now the high season's finished. Of course, we're not expecting big crowds. You can always get a good kebab, king of kebabs. Lots of places for rent. That was the new hot tuna. Okay, carp. Ah, New York diner. Go in there to... That was where they ripped the bars out just there. It's now a parking area. I'm not sure if I would trust that over the water. But look at that, pretty lame, guys. Let's go check out Soy Arab just here around the back while we have a little bit more time. It rained today in Pattaya a couple of times. They nearly had like a mini flood. Central Pattaya wasn't too bad. The dark side copped it a bit. There's lots of little bars up here too. The back of the Nasha Club. This was all the shisha smoke in Mo Salah. You want a tattoo? Look at that. Sticker tattoos. This place looks like it's going okay. Titanic bar. Got the Arab music going. Lebanon bar. infamous Mo Salah. Looking pretty quiet. And here you end up at Marine Plaza. This place used to be packed at night. Oh. After you ladies, Carp. And here we are, the VC Hotel on Second Road. I just thought I'd show you that, guys. Still pretty quiet in Pattaya, but still good fun. Stay safe, everybody. It's P. Joe, over and out.